Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, BMW R18100 Years Edition. BMW Motorrad has unveiled a masterpiece to commemorate its centenary in the motorcycle industry, the 2025 R18100 Years Edition. This special edition cruiser not only pays homage to BMW's rich heritage but also showcases the brand's commitment to innovation, craftsmanship, and the pursuit of excellence in every detail. At the heart of the BMW R18100 Years Edition beats the majestic big boxer engine, a hallmark of BMW's cruiser lineup. With a displacement of 1802 cubic centimeters and a distinctive air-cooled design, this engine delivers a commanding presence on the road, boasting impressive torque and smooth power delivery. Renowned for its effortless cruising capabilities, the big boxer engine ensures a thrilling riding experience that resonates with BMW's legacy of performance and reliability. The 2025 R18100 Years Edition is a tribute to BMW Motorrad's century-long journey of innovation and passion for motorcycles, said Markus Schramm, head of BMW Motorrad. With its timeless design, advanced features, and powerful engine, the R18100 Years Edition embodies the essence of BMW Motorrad and celebrates our commitment to pushing boundaries in the cruiser segment. Visually captivating, the BMW R18100 Years Edition exudes elegance and sophistication with its classic cruiser styling and exclusive anniversary details. The bike features a luxurious chrome finish, bespoke badges, and intricate paintwork that reflect BMW's meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail. A low-slung seat, swept-back handlebars, and footboards ensure rider comfort over long distances, complementing the bike's touring capabilities. Innovation and technology are seamlessly integrated into the R18100 Years Edition, featuring BMW's advanced suite of rider aids and connectivity options. Riders can enjoy electronic cruise control, traction control, and a customizable ride mode system that adapts to various riding conditions. The bike also offers a state-of-the-art infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and intuitive controls accessible via a large TFT display. Industry experts and enthusiasts alike have praised BMW's commitment to excellence with the R18100 Years Edition, recognizing its significance in the cruiser motorcycle segment. The R18100 Years Edition is a testament to BMW's dedication to craftsmanship and innovation, remarked motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. Its blend of classic styling, modern technology, and powerful performance makes it a standout choice for riders who appreciate both tradition and cutting-edge engineering. Enthusiasts worldwide eagerly await the availability of the BMW 2025 R18100 Years Edition at dealerships, eager to experience firsthand its timeless design, exhilarating performance, and exclusive features that celebrate BMW Motorrad's illustrious history. With its blend of heritage-inspired aesthetics and state-of-the-art technology, the R18100 Years Edition reaffirms BMW's position as a leader in the cruiser motorcycle market, setting new benchmarks for luxury and performance.